I was on a service call yesterday where the homeowner thought they needed a whole new system. Their heat pump was making these weird noises and barely putting out lukewarm air. The family was literally wearing coats inside their own house, running space heaters in every room. They had already scheduled a replacement consultation for next week because the system would run constantly, but never get above 65 degrees, so even when they set it to 72. Instead of recommending replacement, I performed something called an AC flush restoration. What happened next was incredible. Those mysterious noises stopped completely. The air coming from the vents went from lukewarm to genuinely warm. For the first time in months, their house actually reached the temperature they set on the thermostat. The system started cycling normally and quietly. The homeowner kept walking around touching the vents like they couldn't believe it. They told me they felt comfortable in their own home again. They were so relieved they canceled that expensive replacement consultation. A lot of systems still have life left in them if you restore their efficiency. Ask your technician if your system qualifies for AC flush.